What are urea and creatinine in the human body? The human body is a marvelous factory, perfectly designed by Allah Almighty with unmatched precision. Every part works in harmony to preserve life. One of the most essential processes that maintains this balance is the elimination of waste products produced by metabolic activities. Among these waste products, two important substances stand out: urea and creatinine, which are considered accurate indicators of kidney health and function. First, what is urea? Definition: urea is a nitrogenous compound formed in the liver after the breakdown of proteins in the body. How is it produced? When amino acids are broken down, nitrogen is released. The liver converts this nitrogen into water-soluble urea, which is then excreted in the urine. Normal levels in the blood, 10 to 40 milligrams per deciliter. Urea. Normal ranges: children, 5 to 18 milligrams per deciliter. Women, 10 to 35 milligrams per deciliter. Men, 10 to 40 milligrams per deciliter. When is it considered high? Above 40 milligrams per deciliter in men. Above 35 milligrams per deciliter in women. Above 18 milligrams per deciliter in children. Note: urea levels may temporarily rise after a protein-rich meal or in dehydration, but persistent elevation usually indicates kidney dysfunction. Importance: urea is the body's safe way of eliminating nitrogenous waste. Symptoms of high urea: general fatigue, nausea and vomiting, headache, and mental confusion, skin itching, reduced or absent urination in severe kidney failure. Treatment: addressing the underlying cause, e.g., kidney failure, dehydration, increasing water intake if there is no advanced kidney disease, avoiding excess animal protein, dialysis in severe cases. Second, what is creatinine? Definition: creatinine is the end product of the breakdown of a substance called creatine phosphate, which serves as an energy reservoir in the muscles. How is it produced? Muscles use creatine phosphate to generate energy. When consumed, creatinine is formed and excreted by the kidneys. Normal levels: men, 0.7 to 1.2 milligrams per deciliter. Women, 0.5 to 1.1 milligrams per deciliter. Creatinine. Normal ranges: children, 0.3 to 0.5 milligrams per deciliter. 0.7 milligrams per deciliter. Women, 0.5 to 1.1 milligrams per deciliter. Men, 0.7 to 1.3 milligrams per deciliter. When is it considered high? Above 1.3 milligrams per deciliter in men. Above 1.1 milligrams per deciliter in women. Above 0.7 milligrams per deciliter in children. Note: creatinine is a more accurate indicator of kidney efficiency than urea, as it is less affected by food or dehydration. Importance: creatinine is considered a precise marker of kidney function because its levels rise only when kidney clearance is impaired. Symptoms of high creatinine: noticeable fatigue, swelling in hands or feet, reduced urination, difficulty concentrating, shortness of breath or chest pain in advanced stages. Treatment: managing the cause of kidney dysfunction, e.g., diabetes, hypertension, infections. Following a low-protein diet, maintaining balanced electrolytes, potassium, phosphorus, dialysis or kidney transplantation in advanced cases. Conclusion: thus, we realize that urea and creatinine are not just numbers in a blood test, but rather true mirrors of kidney health. Allah Almighty reminds us of His perfect creation. And in yourselves, then will you not see? Quran 51:21. So, let us preserve this marvelous organ with gratitude to the Creator, moderation in food and drink, and regular medical checkups. Health is indeed a trust placed in our hands. Until we meet again. Written by Omar Syed.